So, Hipon, anong balita sa'yo? Kayong tatlo, ano? Mga buhay-buhay yung tatlo. Okay ba kayo? Masaya ba?
Oo naman, ang saya-saya talaga.
Sobrang saya,
Ikaw,
di
ba't
ba?
kayo masaya? Ikaw, Almira.
Sobrang saya kasi...
Kasi masaya lahat ng tao, tapos nakakasaya pa lang.
Ikaw muna.
Hindi, sobrang saya kasi nakakabigay kami ng saya sa ibang tao. Like sa inyo. Di ba?
O, ikaw naman, Elaine.
Oo, maliban doon, maliban doon, siyempre yung mga staff dito, yung mga second family ko na. And yun, ang saya na may second family. Lahat talaga welcoming, mabait, at matulungin. Hindi ko alam sabihin.
Parang hindi kasi siyang work eh.
Oo nga.
Okay. O, ito naman. Kamusta ka naman? Buhay-buhay natin.
Masaya ako kasi pinanganak akong masayahin! Dapat masaya lang kahit anong gawin mo sa buhay mo! Tama!
Okay. Paano ba sumasaya ang mga tao dito sa studio? Sa tingin mo, bakit?
Siyempre, una, may pera!
Dali!
Real talk yun, Will. Grabe, ang taas ng energy nila.
Hindi lang naman dahil sa pera, no?
Oh.
Sa pera, hindi number one. Ngayon, pera. Siyempre, pera, tapos sa saya, tsaka sa jacket!
At saka, iba yung pag-aasa na binibigay ng programa
Tama.
ito. Ang dami na tulungan.
Eh, pero mali ka doon. Hindi pera gusto ng mga yan. Hindi ba ayaw ng pera? Pakita mo, gusto daw nila.
Naku, wala na
Hindi,
tayong pera.
dapat yung pera, pinaghihirapan mo. Dahil nanalo ka. Game eh, di ba? Ikaw naman, okay ka naman. Oy, marami ng foreigners na nanonood sa atin. Hindi ka pwede puro Tagalog. Hello, bumati ka na.
Hello! Hi, guys from other country! Out there! From America, South Africa, Japan, Australia, Dubai, di ba? Iba pala.
Ay, gwapo to.
Sawadee ka, katimpong ka.
Ano pangalan yan? Kaya. Oh, gwapo.
Guwapo. Iba yung
Baliktad yung
dating.
Dubai mo. Baliktad, kaya hirap basahin. Gwapo. Tayo nga. English speaking? English speaking. Okay. What's your name?
Michael.
Michael. Okay, Michael, I want you to talk to my girlfriend. Hipon, talk English.
Hi, Michael. How are you?
I'm good.
Very good. How's your day?
How's my day?
Yeah? No, how's my day? How's my day? How's your day?
Good.
Very good.
You don't speak Tagalog? A little? Where you from?
I'm from Australia.
Australia.
Wow.
Why are you here right now in the Philippines? Why are you here?
Because my family is from here.
Really? What do you do in Australia?
I did a bit of work on construction and that.
Really? Turuan kita. Pag may mga kausap ka mga ibang bansa, pag nag-English ka, dapat islang parang naiintindihan ka, pero hindi ka naiintindihan. Okay. Ben, huh? That's the way you do it. Okay, I'm teaching you. Okay, talk to Michael.
Michael. I said to Dad.
That's not Michael Jackson. No, Michael.
I said, you know Michael? Michael, you know Michael?
Yeah.
Who's Michael? Hee.
Hey, what's that?
Hee.
He's shy.
You don't Michael Jackson?
Yeah.
Jazz.
I know Michael Jackson.
Oh, that's right. This is Michael Jackson. Hee.
I don't like that.
You don't like that, that's
You
right.
don't like this?
When you going back to Australia?
I'm on extended vacation.
You know, are you enjoying staying in Pampers?
Yes, I'm enjoying myself here.
Excuse me, can you make both me, please? Oh, it's nice to stay because, you know, Michael, I want to see you face to face. Nose to nose, eyes to eyes. Okay? Why are you here right now here in the studio? What do you do? Okay, ba't ka ba nandito? Ha? Speak Tagalog, no? Ano, really?
Konti.
Conti? Oh, your height is Conti also. I'm just joking. Jacket! What's your size? Oh, extra small. This for you, Michael. Bigyan mo sila nanay. Si nanay ng jacket. For a while. Pakibigay, ha? Kaya tayo naman. Nanay. Okay. Ito na po, pakibigay po. Okay, Michael, thank you for being a good sport. Okay?